Hey everybody, it's Cathy, and today I'm doing a very simple summer makeup look using Tinted Moisturizer. If you are like me and don't like wearing a lot of makeup, especially in the summertime, I really think that you might enjoy this moisturizer. It does two things in one. It is a moisturizer, but it also has SPF in it. So if you want to see how I went from looking like this to this, stay tuned. So I usually just put one full pump on the back of my hand, and then I just use my fingers to dot it onto my skin. So the only thing that I have on my skin, the last skincare product that I put on was my hyaluronic acid. So I'm using this product as both my moisturizer and sunscreen today. I really love how this just, evens out my skin tone, hides the redness. Now, if I was going to be out in the sun all day, of course, I have to keep reapplying sunscreen to my face, but today I'm just staying inside, recording videos and editing videos. And I will tell you, it does take a little bit of time for this moisturizer to dry, so that's usually when I go ahead and will get dressed or do my eyebrows. I don't like makeup on my neck, but I'm just making sure that it's blended in. And I usually only do one pump, and I find that sufficient by the time I do the rest of my makeup. And I can do this like in under 10 minutes if I'm not talking. Are you like me? You can't do your makeup unless your hair is off your face. I can't do it. I just need the hair off of my face. Next I'm going in with my favorite eyebrow pencil. It's the Cosmetics brow power. So I just like to take the spoolie and brush my eyebrows up, what little eyebrows I do have. And on myself, I don't like structured brows. I just like natural looking brows. And by structured, I mean where they look almost laminated on. I like how it looks on other people. I just don't like how it looks on me. So I just freehand my my eyebrows. And I'm missing both tails, my eyebrows. I like this pencil because the harder you press, the darker it gets. It has gotten so hot here. It's crazy. Like last week, well, I got home last week. I've been home now from Maui for a week, and I have to tell you, I'm having the most difficult time getting back into my routine. All I want to do is sleep. I know it's a 6-hour time difference, but I've never had such bad jet lag before. And I'm taking melatonin in the evening to try and put me to sleep, but my goodness, my sleep cycle is all mixed up. So I'm hoping this week I get back on track. If you hear beeping, I apologize. They built a house across the road from us, so today the landscaper's there. So my face is still a little tacky. So now I'm just going to prime my eyelids with this e.l.f. eyelid primer. So Maui was wonderful, loved it. Can't wait to return someday. We were there for 8 days. It was a 18-hour trip, door to door, 12.5 hours of flying. It was not a direct flight. We had to go from Montreal to LA. Then we had a 3-hour layover, but it didn't seem like 3 hours because it was a really nice terminal at the airport and it was pretty quiet. We flew with Air Canada, and then to go to Maui was with United. So it was about a 10-minute walk to get to the United gate, because Air Canada and United are part of the Star Alliance group and they work together. And I think it was about another 6 hours from LA to Maui. Okay, so it's not as tacky. So now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Rewind. I'll put all the shades below in the description box. And I'm just going to lighten up under my eye where I still have some dark spots. And I'm using the Angie Hot and Flashy Concealer Brush. Everything will be listed below. And by the way, I have a 10% discount code. If you're interested in any of the BK Beauty brushes, you can save 10%. Yeah, Maui was just everything that I had hoped it would be and more. It was just amazing. I had planned on doing a vlog and doing an outfits video, but things did not go as I had hoped because the first day we were there, I ended up getting a 2nd-degree sunburn. And if you Google 2nd-degree sunburn and you see the grossest pictures there, mine was 10 times worse. I had 15 blisters on my right foot and 8 on my left. It was all I could do to get around for the week. I was in so much pain. So if you ever go to Hawaii, wear lots of sunscreen because the sun is strong, like way stronger than anywhere in the Caribbean that I've been. But I tried not to let it damper my my trip, so we still had fun. Okay, so my face is feeling pretty dry. The moisturizer settled in. So now what I've been doing is I have this IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation in the shade Light, and I'm kind of using it as a setting powder. So I just take their ball wand brush, swirl a bit in, and then I just press it into my skin. And that just really helps to set, and if there are any spots where I need a little bit of extra coverage, this does the trick. And it's a great way to use up a powder foundation. And then I'm going to go in with a Physicians Formula blush, if I can figure out how to open it. It's really pretty. Whoops. My memory card was full, so I had to switch it out. A little bit of this goes a long way. And if you hear squeaking, that is my chair. This blush is very pigmented. I always like to go up to pull my face upwards because I have a round face. And then I'm just going to take that powder brush and swirl everything up to blend everything in. So yeah, I did not get to do my vlog for Maui or my outfits of the day because my legs were swollen like tree trunks. It was so painful. Probably should have went to an emergency room, but I just toughed it out on my own, and what a mess. So now I'm gonna tight line my upper waterline, and I'm using a L'Oreal pencil. I do have a tight lining video. If you struggle with how to tight line, I show you how I do it in that video, and because I cannot keep my eyes open to do it, so I've developed this way where I can sort of close my eyes and it works. And it only goes on the top waterline because whenever I'm wearing my contacts, which I'm doing like today, I feel like they just want to pop out of my eye sockets. So next up, I'm going to apply just a nice eyeshadow. This is a brand new one. I placed an order with Charlotte Tilbury, and I'll be doing a makeup look in the coming weeks. But I wanted to give this a try today. And what I'm doing is I just grabbed a BK Beauty eyeshadow brush, just anything that is flat. And then I just dip it into the eyeshadow. And because I have not worked with this, I'm not sure how thick it goes on. And then I just apply it all over the mobile eyelid and up into the crease. And it looks really dark. I think maybe I had too much on my brush. No problem. We can just fix that. I'll try and lift a little bit off of this eye to give it to the other eye. I love a one and done eyeshadow. And supposedly this particular shade, Pillow Talk, is good for everyone. I am having a lot of technical difficulties today. Now my lighted mirror in front of me, the battery has died, so I'll have to charge it. Oh, I'm having such difficulty getting back into the swing of things. Now, because I'm going to be filming another video today, I'm just going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Smudger brush. This is probably one of my all-time favorite makeup brushes, and I'm just going to dip the end right in there and pick up very little. And then I'm just going to, underneath the bottom lash line, I'm just going to go about 2/3 of the way under and connect to the top. make it a little smoky looking. So before I continue with the rest of my makeup, I'm going to use the cosmetic setting spray. Whew. Now I'm going to apply my mascara, and the one that I'm using today is the Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes. I have, I think, 4 mascaras on the go. Just picked this one. It does a really nice job of separating my eyelashes because I have very thin, sparse eyelashes. I also have been using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which I like. And if you're looking for a really luxury mascara, which I absolutely love, is the Chantecaille. It has lash serum in it, and oh man, when I use it, my lashes look amazing. And I like that my lashes are getting some sort of benefit whenever I do wear it. So now it's time for the lips, and I'm using the L'Oreal Age Perfect lip liner, which I need to sharpen. And I just color in the bottom. And then in the top, it just really defines my lips. My lips are so thin. I definitely take after my mother for my lips. She had a very thin upper lip. And then I received this in PR last week. I was so excited to come home and had some PR waiting for me. It's by City Lips, or City Beauty. And this is their City Lips, and I cannot make it out with my contacts. I will put everything below the video and in the first pinned comment. I think it's just a clear or lightly pink, light pink lip gloss. But it's really cute for summer. And then you know I like to finish off my look. And before I show you my outfit of the day, today's perfume is Beach by Bobbi Brown. If you are looking for a nice light fragrance for summer, I picked this up last year. I wear it in the summertime. I love it, and a lot of you love it as well. And I was trying to figure out what it reminded me of, because it made me think of when I was young and at the beach, and somebody said it's the smell of copper tone, and I think it's very similar to that scent, and it just brings me back to all the good memories I had going camping as a kid. So this is today's perfume of the day. And there we have it. Just a really nice, simple, you know, summery, glowy, bronzy look without any bronzer. And then I'll show you what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing the cutout back gray dress from Talbot's. It's part of their Tea by Talbot's line. It is so comfortable, and I love the cutout in the back for 2 reasons. Cutouts are on trend in 2023. It's just a cute element instead of just having, you know, just a plain back. I think that this is a cute design element, but it also serves a purpose when it's hot and you have a little bit of a breeze. That little breeze goes through you and kind of cools you off. And I have it paired in this picture with my Tory Burch Miller sandals, which I absolutely love. I have flat feet, and normally I like my shoes to have support, but I walk around these sandals all the time, all day long, and my flat feet don't have any issues with them. And then the jewelry that I'm wearing is the Kendra Scott bracelet that I absolutely love. It also comes in white gold or silver, and I'm just wearing a pair of hoop earrings. Be sure to go check out everything I bought in May, where I talk about everything that I've purchased in May in beauty, skincare, fashion, and lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.